Okay, back to the power steering pumps. All right, this is the old one. I ended up removing the bracket from this one, which was right here, by drilling a hole over here because I don't have the tool to get this out, this pulley out. So we drilled a hole. I could access all the bolts. I removed it, put it here, and this one has its own holes. And tightened it right there, tightened it right there. Anyway, so this is ready to go. Okay guys, this is what's happening. I did get the power steering pump on and secured. Had to do everything underneath the car, but it did work out good. Everything's tightened, and I also got the belt on. So I'm going to check and see if the routing is correct with the belt one more time, and then I'm going to put the fan back on and I'm going to start it. Oh yeah, I also fixed all this. You see that? The intake for the intercooler, all that stuff is fixed and sealed. So hopefully no more leaks here. It's even repositioned. You see that? But I went as much as I could with these brackets. Whatever they allowed me, I tried to work with the best of my ability. Oh, look at my vocabulary. Wow. All right. Yeah, so I got to a stage where I'm about to start it, and I'll be honest with you guys, I'm a little nervous. Hopefully everything is right. I can guarantee you the battery's probably dead. So I'm going to get a booster. However, wait not to put the last piece on yet, because I gotta put some oil in there. And I gotta tighten that up real quick. All right, let's pour some fluid. Mercedes oil. Got it at Mercedes-Benz. All right. Okay, moment of truth. Whew. This is exciting and I'm nervous at the same time. All right, let's see what it does. All right. Yeah, that's what I thought. The battery's dead. Okay. Let's try it again. Here we go. Okay. Let's see what's happening there. Check it out real quick. Okay, we're still good on fluid. Let's crank her up again. Definitely a noise in the steering. Look at that. Whoa. Well, once again, it has to pump everything up. So, let's go check the fluid again. Interesting. Interesting. Let's crank it again. Let it warm up. Well, what can I say? I got the car started. It runs a minute, chilling, waiting for it to warm up, or the engine to warm up. And the steering, I mean, it turns easy. Look at this. Because with the old steering pump, it was just doom, barely turning. It would turn at times, like vibrate and all that. But it's still making noise right now. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more time and go for a ride and see what happens. We'll go from there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Bingo! Look at this. Perfect. Success! Man, I am happy. High five. Wow, that's awesome. So basically, I let it run for a little bit, and then I shut the car off, checked the fluid again, and I ended up adding like another quarter of a can, and cranked it up, and this is the result. This is so awesome. I love it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. I'm just gonna chill here. Enjoy my time. Enjoy the moment. Bye.